I mean, run to my. Hey, hi guys, this is Amrita Khanvilkar on Let'sThinkAloud.com Singapore, and let's take a sneak peek into my life in lockdown. Gosh, I thought I would never say that, but it is what it is. Am I complaining? No, of course not. I hope you have fun. So first 3 to 4 days of my lockdown were like getting up at 11 o'clock in the morning and sleeping at around 3 or 4 or something. And then I realized that this lockdown is going to be a way of life for some time now. So I better discipline myself. So my day right now looks like 8:30 getting up, having a shot of espresso, 9:15 I'm down doing my workout, then I come up, I have breakfast, then I'm helping my mother with her khana and safai of the house, and then we have lunch around 1:30. Then it is a chill time. That means I'm either watching a series or a film, and then evening is my piano class around 5:30. If I have a live with some reporters or on my own Insta page or Facebook page, then I think my class is around 6:30. Then 7 to 9, if there are any groceries that I need to go and buy, I do that. Else again watching a film. Then I think around 9ish I have my dinner. Then me and my mom, we go niche and we have a walk, evening walk. A lot of gappa goshti we do. Okay, so for starters, I hate cooking. I mean, standing in the kitchen in Mumbai heat and preparing meals is really not my thing. But I had to share my mother's burden. Otherwise, मुझे खाना नहीं मिलता. So, I started doing these chatpata items like Hakka noodles and pastas in white sauce and red sauce and I think pizza and pani puri and stuff like that, and I really started to enjoy that because ऐसा कुछ एक वाला item होना, then I kind of do it really well. But dal, sabzi, chapati is really not my thing. Also, it's the season of mangoes, so yeah, I mean I've done a lot of desserts with mangoes. My best cooking was pani puri and Hakka noodles and pasta in white sauce. Yeah, so I think those were kick-ass. I think so. So one thing I've been extremely disciplined about is the workouts in this lockdown, because otherwise just sitting at home and maybe watching just Netflix wouldn't have helped me maintain my physique. So whenever I get up in the morning, I have one shot of espresso, and then I have a podium below my building. वहाँ पे I think around 45 minutes to 1 hour I run. Then I do TheraBand exercises. So that is how I managed to kind of stay fit. Also, I did a little bit of yoga, but it was getting so hot in the house. So, and of course you can't do it in the AC. तो मैंने सोचा कि चलो यार योगा मैं बाद में कर लूँगी. And trust me, whatever discipline I've had in all these days, that has really helped me a lot to stay positive actually. Yeah. To tell you very frankly, I'm missing my shootings. I'm missing being on sets. I think it is one of the greatest thing. And मतलब जब आपके पास वो नहीं होता है, then you start missing all those things. So I'm terribly missing being on set and the whole hair and makeup and I have my entourage with me. So I think all that I'm really missing, sadly and badly. So I think I'm very lucky that this lockdown I'm experiencing it with my mother. Otherwise, trust me, I would have gone mad. I mean, she is the most entertaining part of my life. Of course, there is Himanshu, my husband, but I mean, अगर mom नहीं होती तो I don't know क्या हो जाता. I'm a kid who is who needs to be fed well. Okay, who needs to eat to survive. So I think that is taken care of by my mom. Then when I get bored, मैं बहुत मस्ती करती हूँ उनके साथ, so that is taken care of. Also, she keeps tabs about how much I'm using my phone, how much I'm there on the laptop, and so I keep getting this constant reality checks ki hello, okay, you've been on the phone for like good 5 hours. Now it's time to just shut it down. Otherwise, you'll go mad, yeah. So I'm very lucky. Oh God, she should not listen to this, but I'm very lucky that I'm with her. There is no other person in this world that I would want to spend this lockdown with. It's her and her. I think this lockdown has really taught us that as human beings, we have totally screwed our planet. Okay, and I think we need to take it very seriously. This is like, you see a lot of pictures coming on Instagram and Facebook. The nature is healing, and just when, as human beings, we are caged today in our own homes. The nature is healing. So we need to take a note of that, and we need to be extremely serious about coexisting with nature. So I got this chance of just sitting and watching a lot of pending films and web series. So I loved Lucifer. I loved, How Can You Get Away with Murder. I haven't watched Money Heist a lot, but I will start with it very, very soon. Friends I watched, yeah, it's just so amazing. And Thappad I watched, then Dark Phoenix, and then I've been working on my piano skills. Like there was this keyboard that I had bought for myself around 1 or 2 years back. So I hadn't really got an opportunity. In fact, I was lazy enough to just even take it out and do some tingling on it. I made a promise to myself that all these days in this lockdown, I need to learn at least 2 to 3 songs. So yeah. Run to my extremely favorite restaurant if it opens, Indigo, and grab a gorgeous, the most tastiest barbecue chicken burger. And I will go to Bandra, and I'm going to see the ocean. I'm going to meet my best friend, and I'm going to meet her kid, who's actually just my godmother. But so these are my essential surviving things that I think I will do after this lockdown is over. So before this lockdown, I think I was extremely lucky to go on a family tour. So we had this huge US tour planned, and then we also went and we saw our cousins. So some things are just blessing in disguise. I mean, because I was traveling a lot that year, I was a little irritated throughout that trip. But today when I look back, I'm so glad that we did that trip, because I don't know today when we'll be allowed to go and visit another country, or when we'll be able to meet. Yeah, I was very lucky that I could spend that time with my parents, my sister, her son, and my cousins. Yeah. सो सिंगापोर कसं काय, आय होप तुम्ही सगळे सेफ आहात, सिक्युअर्ड आहात, आपापल्या घरी आहात. आणि मुंबईकडनं मी तुम्हाला इकडून खूप प्रेम पाठवते. आय होप दॅट हे जे काही लॉकडाऊन होतं किंवा आहे, आय थिंक यातनं सगळ्यांनी आपण आपापले धडे शिकले असतीलच. दॅट वी नीड टू स्पेंड टाईम विथ आवर लव्ड वन्स, दॅट वी नीड टू गिव्ह देम इम्पॉर्टन्स. ॲट द एंड ऑफ द डे दे आर द वन्स दॅट who matter. खूप लोकांना ह्याची पण जाणीव झाली असेल की आपण कामामध्ये स्वतःला किती बिझी करून टाकतो यार, की ज्या लोकांसाठी आपण हे काम करतोय, ज्या लोकांसाठी आपण एवढी मेहनत करतोय, त्या लोकांनाच आपण तो वेळ देऊ शकत नाही. सो आय जस्ट होप की you've had beautiful realizations. आणि बस स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ, काळजी घ्या.